Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to remove bug spots from the paint of your vehicle, your car, motorcycle. Okay, we have that Can-Am here, and as you can see, we washed it and you can see how many bug spots we have. I mean, the paint is shiny, it's good, but no matter what you do, you cannot get the bug spots out, okay? So stay with us, guys. We're going to show you how to shine it up, make it super nice, and you won't be able to notice any bug spots if you clean them on time. If you don't, it's going to eat your paint and it will be too late. Okay guys, so what we are going to do now, we are going to use a 3M Perfected series right here. This is a rubbing compound, this is the part number, this is step 1, and we'll be using step 2 as well, which is machine polish, and we are going to do it by hand. You need to get a microfiber towel, okay, apply on the towel, okay, like that, and now we're going to rub it pretty good. You need to spend some time on it. I wouldn't recommend on something like that using a buffer. If it's your car where it's more straight like the hood, you'll be able to, but on bumpers and stuff it's more convenient if you do it by hand, because there is so many things that you can damage with the buffer. You need to be careful or do it at very low speed. Okay, and you just keep rubbing like that. Okay guys, and now we're going to finish it with this one, okay, with the rubbing compound number 1, step 1, and you can see so far we don't have any bugs, but we need to make the paint really shiny. So what we need to do, you need to use the machine polish after that, and it will moisturize the paint too. Okay, so we're going to apply that on a microfiber towel again. Okay, and just do the same procedure. Just go in circular motions, it's the best, like that. And it's very important to use a microfiber towel, otherwise you will scratch the paint if it's not the perfect towel. Okay, you can see, and now we are going to wipe it with a clean towel at the end. We'll finish it. Okay, almost there. And let's see if there is a difference with the other side, because no matter how many times we washed it, okay, this is what we did now, and you can see the other side right here. Okay, you can see the bug spots, bugs everywhere not being able to come off, and you can see this side we don't have anything here. Okay, so that's the procedure, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.